people, often women and children, from one place to another within. Yes, Harvard University. Alright, now from the negative team. Carefully. So, the first speaker of the affirmative team will deliver his speech. And then, for 2 minutes. Okay, for 2 minutes. Where's my timer? Okay? A timer starts. Yes, timer starts. Now, go.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Stuart Clark. We are debating the resolution. We should rule out prostitution to close the market for sex slaves who make up the majority of sex trafficking victims. We, on the affirmative team, strongly support the resolution. We have 3 reasons. First, can't do anything about it. Normally, many people regard the kind of person as a terror person.
Because of the prostitution, the value of the prostitute, especially the value of the victims, can be degraded. So,
and you said that in case of people victim, they should get a welfare system.
how we care the victims?
As I mentioned, we already have that good welfare system.
Physical, just not physical. They have a lot of trauma. So
I'm affirmative side, so I certainly agree that resolution. Women to pick up the job, and women are busy.
Instead of eliminating prostitution, we should focus more on economic and social and political issues.
They want to get money even though they are rich. So we have to eliminate prostitution to save the victims.
Just imagine, after ruling out prostitution, maybe they will lose their jobs, and then they will make the different type of prostitution.
already advanced country. In advanced country, there are a lot of prostitution, just not.
That they can achieve economic opportunity and greater security. Well, in fact, in trafficking is the total opposite. Greater economic dependence, greater insecurity, and worse ruined futures.
So here we have to focus on a greater aspect, greater point of view in our society, because prostitution is just a part of it.
That we can abolish prostitution. But how can you please define what is a developed country?
A developed country is a country with equality. Prostitution, I think a developed country cannot be a real developed country, because a developed country should be.
We need to root out prostitution to fully abolish human trafficking.
We should focus more on economic, social, economic, and political development to end this war. We, on the negative side, to make a better life. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I have talked about